guess what I have right here in my hands. I have the April 2021 Boxycharm right here. This one came super duper fast this month. It was shipped out April 5th and it came, well, I went down and I got it on the 15th of April, so it took like a week and some days. I didn't check my account to see when it was actually delivered, but from the 5th to the 15th, I'm not mad. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by my little intro there, we are doing the April Boxycharm unboxing. If you guys haven't already, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Like this video if you like the content. You already know what's good. I did open it the day that I got it, and I am not mad. I did make a choice. Now for my Maybox, I'm just gonna let you guys know I might have been late when it came to making my choice. I have to go back to the website and see if it's still available for me to make a choice for next month's box, but I think I was late, so I don't think I'll be able to make a choice, but we'll see after this video. Also, this hair right here is my postpartum protective style. It's kind of ghetto in my opinion, but this is me braiding my hair. I'm hella lazy, so I stopped like 2 inches from the tips. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, let's start unboxing. This is how the box came, guys. We got that little piece of paper as usual. We got a product there, probably a more fragile product, and then everything inside. Like I said, I did make a choice this month, and I believe it was the tinted moisturizer. I've been wanting to try a tinted moisturizer ever since my friend Ari told me that's what she used, and pretty much it's just like, not a foundation, but it's something that can cover your skin if you don't really have any kind of breakouts. So it's like you're wearing makeup, but not really, and my skin has been fairly clear since I've had my baby, so instead of wearing foundation, I would like to try, you know, a tinted moisturizer, see if that works, see if it doesn't. So that was my choice, the tinted moisturizer that is in here. We have this theme this month, a sweet treats, and guys, it's sweet. There is 5 full-size products in the box, I believe. Let's get right on in. Let's open this bad bitch up. Let's start with the first thing that you see when you open the box. So this is from Kinder Beauty. This is the Kinder Glow Highlighter Palette. You guys should know by now, if you watch my beauty makeup videos, all of that, I do not highlight my face. I'm an oily girl ever since high school, ever since I've been doing makeup, and the only thing that I know is, you know, to have a matte face. I don't like shiny, I don't like, you know, sparkles. I don't like that kind of shit on my face. I like a matte face. Even this foundation from Fenty, it's a hydrating one, and I noticed that I am a little bit more shiny, so that's annoying, but I gotta remind myself it's hydrating. But yeah, so I'm not really into the highlighter on my face. This product does retail for $15, so we're gonna see what it's all about. The packaging is very cute as well. This is cruelty-free and vegan, guys, so that's good. There we go, it's in there. Ooh, and look at that. It comes with this bubble wrap. Wow, that's impressive, guys. I've never seen that. This is the packaging inside, and it has the names of the highlighters in there. This is the first highlighter that I own now. I don't have highlighter. Ooh, okay. So we got a mirror, oh, and the protective packaging just fell off of it. Here we are. Okay, like I said, I've never owned a highlighter, so I don't know what I'm supposed to be looking for when it comes to this. These 2 shades look a little bit more natural, I'm guessing. This one looks very shiny and very pigmented, and the 4th one, I think that's called Angel. I think this one is Angel. I don't know where you would put that one. That one looks like a chocolate bar. Should I swatch? Let's swatch. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one. I feel like it's looking a little bit chalky. Yeah, that one's like kind of chalky, but not bad. To me that's chalky, but maybe to someone else it's not. The second product that I'm gonna show you guys is, let's go with this one. This next product retails for $48. This one is from Pharmacy. Now the last Pharmacy skin product that I did receive, I like it, it smells good, but I don't like oils on my face, that's another thing. I'm not really picky, but you know. This is the Honey Grail Ultra Highlighting Face Oil, like I said, by Pharmacy. Packaging is so cute. So it has the honeycombs right here with some bees. We got honey up here. I hate when I have to fix the lighting in my videos. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this and see what this one is. And if I can, I'm gonna smell it. But yeah, so far, using my other skincare from Pharmacy, I actually like this brand. They are a little bit expensive, so I personally would not go out and buy this myself without first getting the product sent to me. Like technically I did buy it because I purchased this subscription, but you know what I'm saying? If I was to go out to wherever this product is sold and see it and see the price tag, I would not purchase it. I'm just a cheap ass bitch. This is what it looks like. Honey Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. I don't think, well, you know what? My skin has changed since high school, so I won't say that my skin is still oily. You know, it has its days. Some days I'm hella dry, peeling, flakes, nastiness all over the place. Other days, I'm oily as hell. So we'll see if I use this. A fast absorbing, luxuriously lightweight oil that delivers intensive moisture while helping to smooth the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. Rich in antioxidants, this multitasking miracle worker is made with our proprietary, wow, honey, sea bucklethorn, and 5-flower oil blend, packed with essential fatty acids and nutrients for healthy looking, revitalized, glowing skin with no greasy afterfeel. Okay. Made exclusively for Boxycharm. It says that right there. Wow, okay. Now I'm gonna smell this because last time I did not smell my moisturizer and it smelled amazing. I was like, damn, I should have smelled it for my video. Okay, so my first thought was it kind of smells like a condom. Okay, I thought I heard my neighbors fighting. I don't know what's going on. I am that nosy neighbor. Anyway, yeah, doesn't really smell like honey from what I can smell here, but yeah, it smells like some kind of condom, some kind of lubrication, but you never know, maybe the product is good. Like I said, this retails for $48, almost 50, well, pretty much 50. So this shit better like make my shit glow. Now, the third product that I'm gonna show you guys, I already purchased from my friend. So these, I don't know if I'm gonna use them anytime soon because I already have some really nice lashes. But let me show y'all what they sent. I got the Monarch Lash Pack, and this is from Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. This retails for $38. In comparison to my friend and the lashes that she sold me, I bought a bundle of, I want to say 3 lashes, and I got that for $40. So looking from out here, the lash band looks okay. And they have their little logo on the tweezers there. This packaging is really cute as well. There's a bunch of butterflies. It seems like that's the theme here. We got a whole bunch of bugs and shit. We got bees, we got butterflies. It has cute packaging, little butterflies here. Ooh, and look at the back here. Flirtatious Looks lashes were designed to empower your inner flirt, regardless of which personality is coming out to play. Now, this could get me in trouble. Well, right now I'm single, but yeah. Anyway, so we got the top lash right here. This one is Baby Girl, and the bottom lash is Charmer. Interesting. So we got Baby Girl, Charmer. The top one is an angled lash for an iconic cat eye effect, and the bottom lash is a round lash for an instant doll eye look. Now this package right here, 2 lashes with their tweezers, is $38. I also got a lash book from my friend for $40, so would I buy this for $40? Probably not. Let me just open this up. As you guys know, I also did buy one of these from the dollar store for $2.50, but these lashes do look nice. I'm not gonna lie. The band just looks a little bit questionable. I have had my fair share of shitty ass lashes on my channel, if you guys watch my beauty, but yeah, so you know, the lash band, I'm not so sure if it is strong. I might try these lashes one day. I might try the tweezers as well, but yeah, so far, The bottom ones are the ones that I'd probably use more or go to before these ones. The 4th product in my Boxycharm box is, it's another Eloise. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing that right. If I'm not, Eloise, I don't know. If I'm not pronouncing that right, guys, please do not laugh. Do not make fun of me, because, you know, I'm used to like Rimmel, Maybelline, you know, easy shit like that. L'Oreal, not this exotic kind of names. This is their Get Gleaming Body Glow. Now, this box I feel like is some shit that I would not purchase, I would not use, but because I purchased it technically, I'm gonna try all of these things because I don't want to waste money, and if I don't like them, I'm obviously gonna give this shit away. But I don't even like putting makeup on my neck, let alone the rest of my body. So I feel like this body illuminator kind of shit, I'm not gonna wear it. I don't like having stuff on my chest. I don't like having stuff on my neck. I don't like product. I don't like makeup anywhere. You know, even lotion bothers me. So even though like you're supposed to put lotion on so you're not ashy as hell, I don't regularly put lotion on because I just hate having shit on my skin. I hate that feeling. This one came in a little plastic thing. This is very cute. Sorry if you guys can see my background in there. This product also retails for $38. Majority of the stuff that I got in this box is like $38. Let's just go on ahead, open this up, see what the packaging looks like. Even Rihanna's glow stuff. I love Rihanna, but I just wouldn't purchase that. So this is the bottle. This is how much you get. This is a coppery, is it copper? Yeah, copper. I like the pump, and I like the packaging of this actually. The pump is very cute. This is like sophisticated. And the last product in my Boxycharm box, last but not least, this is from Studio Makeup. This is the Tinted Moisturizer, formulated with hyaluronic acid, hydrating, firming, and youthful effect. Now this box is smooth. It's very smooth. I like this. So apparently you're supposed to shake this well, and it has their logo all in the inside there. This is the compartment thingy majigger. Yeah, so Studio Makeup, if I'm not mistaken, the eye primer that I'm using is also from Studio Makeup. Okay, so this is the pump. I like it. So I'm definitely gonna try this out. I'm pretty sure I got it in the color medium. If I'm not mistaken, I had to choose a color. And when it comes to picking color and tinted moisturizer, I never know if I should get medium or dark, because usually when it comes to tinted moisturizers, they don't make any for dark skin complexion, so it's kind of hard. And even though I'm fairly light, even their medium tone is kind of weird, and they don't have a lot of undertones when it comes to this kind of stuff. So that's why I've always stayed away from tinted moisturizer, because they don't have a lot of shade ranges, and even the shades they do have, the undertones are all messed up. This product retails for $35, so fairly pricey for a tinted moisturizer. The ones that you can get at Walmart are like $10, if that. So this one better be good. This better match my goddamn skin tone, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be mad. But that was my Boxycharm April 2021 unboxing. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more makeup kind of stuff from me, even though I am a beginner and my makeup videos suck compared to other people, then, you know, give the video a like, leave a comment in the comment box below. And yeah, guys, I will see you in my next video.